Well guys, just rolling up on the tiny house build, and I want to give you an update on where we're at. Things are looking pretty good, and as you can see behind me, things have progressed quite fast. Last time you probably saw me talking a little bit about the shingles, so I got that done up there, some green architectural shingles. I also got a ridge vent up on top, which is going to help with ventilation because I'm insulating this tiny house. Now, let's have a little walk around the outside. So, you may have seen my video in which I installed those makeshift stairs. They turned out pretty well. I also talked about installing windows. What I've done since that time is I've gone ahead, put some spray foam in there, finished off all the taping. You can see I've taped all the tie par, the house wrap. Done the same over here. And you've also seen relatively recently the completion of the back deck. Now, where we're at now is we're at the point where I've got all the windows in, including this big door. Got it all spray foamed, got it taped. And all I need to do is really close it in with one last little bit of screening. Now, I'll show you what that all is about in just a second, but let's head back up the hill. We'll head on inside so you guys can really get a sense of where we're at. So look at these beautiful stairs right up inside. Got the walkway all done, got this window done, got the screen up. As you can tell, I've got the nice overhang on this walkway, which comes around to the deck. Walkway to the deck. This deck here, I'm not going to have all this equipment here. Probably have some chairs out here at some point. Also got to still put a railing up here for safety because, you know, if you fall off there, it's probably a good 4.5 feet. Up top here, this is the bottom side of the loft. This is going to get insulation, and there's also going to be a wood ceiling here. Heading inside here, through this brand new screen door, or what do you call this, sliding door. Brand new to me, not really brand new. Probably 10 years old, but regardless. Inside here, and I gotta shut that door because the bugs are still pretty brutal. Inside here, it's really starting to take shape. So looking around here, you're probably saying to yourself, well, it's fully sealed and it's closed. The last thing, as I mentioned, was old sections of screen that I need to put at the very top side of the walls. Remember, there's gonna be insulation in here. Above that insulation is going to be an open air channel all the way from the soffit right up through the vent at the very top of the roof. I need to have screening at the top of each wall so that the air can go through, but the bugs can't. Looking around here, you can also get a sense of the primary heating source, and it's that wood stove, and that thing is massive for this, but that's what I had. I'm in the point now where I'm trying to position that according to the clearances. So the clearances so that I don't burn this place down. All right, so I'm probably gonna have it in the corner like that. I'm gonna got a little couch to go over here, maybe put a desk over there. But that's more or less what the layout's gonna be. The other thing you can start to see in here is all the windows. So I've got a nice window up there. Obviously I've got 3 around me here. And I've got this big sliding door here for windows and light. Let's head on up to the loft because the loft is way up there. Where I'm standing now, up to that loft, is 8 feet. And that's 8 feet to the bottom of that floor joist. So it's actually like 8.5 feet when you get up top. So let's head on up and we'll see what's going on up there. Now, in order to get up there, the only thing that's kind of turning into a pain is the fact that I need a half decent ladder to get up there. So I'll probably end up making something kind of slick that maybe hangs out of the way, but until then I got the construction ladder. So heading on up here. It's looking a little sketchy, maybe I'll fix that. Heading on up here. There we go. You guys will see that the loft is pretty spacious. I'm no slouch, and as you can tell, I've got tons of room above my head. Up here, there's going to be a ceiling covering because there's insulation going in here. So yes, this will feel a little bit smaller than what you see now, but for the most part, this is a massive loft. Looking out this side, I also put a window in. And this window gives you a real good view way down to where the fire pit is and out to the back bush. Another good thing about this window, it opens, and there is a screen I still have to put in to give you lots of air ventilation. So getting a look outside, we're a long ways up. That ladder is 14 feet high. Okay. I don't know why I lock it. I don't know who's going to try to come in there. Anyways, but I still have to insulate, so this is still kind of bare. It's still very construction-esque. But that's more or less up from the loft. So this is huge. This is over 8 feet wide, and in total, it's 8 feet long. So this is bigger than a double bed. I think it's bigger than a queen bed. But tons of space up here and tons of headroom. As I mentioned, that screening, where it's going to go is right here. And what that's going to do is going to prevent bugs from coming in and up the vent, which runs all the way up and into the ridge vent. Okay, so let's get down from here without falling. I'm going to set that camera on my head for a second. Get up there. The other thing I got to do, let's get down safely first. The other thing I got to do, well, I remember I need some sort of railing here just to make it safer. And I got to install this thing. This is the roof flashing for the wood stove. So those are a few things I got to get going on. As to when I get to them, who knows? But those are them. So if you guys have any ideas as to how I can lay out the inside of this place with furniture, desk, chairs, be sure to put it down in the comments below. For the most part, I think I got a pretty slick setup. I think it's going to be nice and toasty, especially in the winter. And I think it's also going to be quite comfortable this time of year. So in the meantime, I'm going to head out of here, but I got lots to do. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, we'll see you guys all next time.